Catamize coming back at you. New pickup. Got the Air Jordan 1s, Pinegreen, just released. Just picked them up from the mall on this rainy day. Of course, retro style Nike box, like the old days, throwback. Go ahead and get into these, open it up, show you what we're working with. Pinegreen. Should have already took them out the box to speed up the process, but I didn't. So sorry for that. Let's get into these. Of course, factory lace, Pinegreen, money green. Looks pretty good. And it's not a white. It's like a cream or vanilla color, which I think they go pretty good together. It's white, but it's off-white, like a dirty white. Of course, you come with your black laces. Then you got your spare green laces to rock as well. Tag size 11. These are quick strikes, so you couldn't use a coupon on them. They turn around, show you the back. Pinegreen Jordan 1s just released today. Wasn't really trying for them, and I still got them. Would have rather got the court purples, which I think was a little more limited. More people trying to go after those. Not really a big fan of ones. There's a few pair that I like, that I collect. Show you the bottom. Of course, ones are like SBs or Dunks or whatever you want to call them. They're pretty much the same. They all the same. As far as this goes, it's quality. Don't see no glue stains, glue marks. That's normal. The little wrinkles, gonna always have the wrinkles in the leather, the tumbled leather. That's normal. You're gonna always see that. But like I said, Jordan Pinegreen 1s just released today. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.